a working React application. Let's add a couple of libraries that we will need to make this a little prettier. In particular, we're going to install the Bootstrap library, and the way we'd install it will be with npm install bootstrap. Okay. This what we'll do is that it will go to a code repository, just like Python when you install a new gem, or just like when we use Maven, right? It goes to the Maven repository, code repository. Here it goes to the npm registry. npm has a registry of all sorts of libraries, open source libraries, that anybody can post their own particular library, right? It's open source. In particular, Bootstrap has made available their library at this registry. You can visit it. It's npm.com or npm.org. And you can install it by saying npm install bootstrap. Also notice this flag at the end, --save. Okay? This --save is very important not to forget. This is what makes an entry into your package.json file. Right? If you don't have that entry in your package.json file, you'll have Bootstrap installed in your local development environment, but it will not push to your remote environment. So it says, oh, it looks beautiful in my local environment, but it looks awful when I push it to Heroku. What's going on? Right? It's because probably Bootstrap won't be declared in your package.json, so be careful. Once you install it, now from within your hello world, or from within your components, you can import the CSS file by using import, and then wherever the file is installed, the file will be installed under node modules, the Bootstrap CSS distribution, and bootstrap.css. Once you have that, now you can start making use of the same classes that we've used in previous lectures, right? So let's do that. Let's go back here. We are in the right directive. We're going to do npm install bootstrap, and we're going to do a --save. To do that, it's going to go back to the npm registry. It's going to download the library. It's going to copy it into our node_modules directory, and that's going to take a little bit. Okay, it's done. And if we go back to our IDE, you'll notice that there it is. See that package.json? Now Bootstrap is listed as a dependency. Okay, that means that when this is copied to your Heroku remote server, when you do a push to Heroku, right? Heroku is going to parse this file and says, you need all these libraries, right? So I'll download all those libraries. I'll do an npm install and install all these libraries so that now your application actually can run. Once we do that, if we go to app.js, app.js, notice it has its own CSS, right? We're not going to use this CSS. Instead, we're going to load our own CSS. We're going to import from Bootstrap. One more. Wait, am I going in the right direction? I'm under app. If we go up, one up, two up, one more. Oh, I don't see node underscore. Why don't I see it? Actually, a better place to put it is under this directory. Just call it here CSS, and under CSS, copy over any Bootstrap content. There's Bootstrap. Notice that it lists here what new libraries have been deployed or have been installed, and there it is. Here's on our distribution. A distribution has both CSS and JavaScript. We can copy the whole thing. So let me copy that and paste it under our directory here, and perhaps an entire directory. So this might be Bootstrap, and paste it under there. Okay, and then from our app, we can navigate there. So let's see, I'm under app. I can say /CSS, CSS, and under there Bootstrap, and under there dist, and under there CSS, and under there Bootstrap min. There we go. Once we do that, we can start using classes that we know already. We know we have container container fluid. Right, notice that we have full support of type ahead and everything like that. And if we go back to our local file, let's see, where are we? Our window, where are you? This is it? Yeah, this is it. Notice that it's using the Bootstrap library to make it look prettier. Okay. Hi everyone, Jose here. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to leave a comment down below. Bye.